Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Bagas Tiadi. Here I will present the CLT material, Communicative Language Testing. Okay, the definition of CLT. Communicative Language Teaching is an approach to the teaching of second and foreign language that embraces interaction as both the means and the ultimate goal of learning language. It is also referred to as communicative approach to the teaching as foreign language, or simply the communicative approach. Wikipedia. Its origins are many insofar as one teaching methodology tends to influence the next. The communicative approach could be said to be the product of educator and linguists who had grown dissatisfied with the audiolingual and grammar translation method of foreign language instruction. Center for Applied Linguistics. This method aims the developing procedure for the teaching of the first skill that acknowledges the independence of language and communication. It's aimed at having students become communicatively competent. Yemen Times. A set of principles about teaching including recommendations about methods and a syllabus where the focus is on meaningful communication, not structure, as not usage. Is the approach students are given tasks to accomplish using language in, instead of studying the language. ESL Glossary. Okay, next, basic concept component of a method according to Jack Sericard. Methods, approach, design, and procedure. 1. Basic concept approach. An approach refers to the theories about the nature of language and language learning that serve as the result of practice and principle of language teaching. 2. Design. That specific the relationship of theory of language and learning to the selection and organization of language content, syllabus, to the types of tests to learning activities, and the role of the learner, teacher, and materials. And 3. Procedure method comprises the classroom technique and practices that are consequent of particular approach and design. Next, CLT at the level of approach theory. The nature of language, the nature of learning and language activities that involve oral communication promote learning, activities in which language is used of carrying out meaningful communication promote learning, language that is meaningful to the learner support the learning process. Next, CLT at the level of design. The goal of language teaching communicative competence. Knowledge of the grammar, vocabulary, phonology, and semantic of the language. Knowledge of the relationship between the language and its non-linguistic social context. Knowledge of how to begin and the conversation, discourse competence, cohesion and coherence. Knowledge of strategy to compensate other weak areas. CLT at the level of design, the syllabus, grammar-based, skill-based listening, speaking, writing, and reading, function-based, creating, introduction, telling, storytelling, task-based, discover of the difference, solve the problem. What kind of syllabus does your course book have? In general, most courses book the advocate the CLT approach create more electric syllabing in the which they consider the different aspect of learning a language. CLT and the level of procedure. Type of activities accuracy or fluency, mechanical, meaningful, and communicative practice, information gaps, informative gathering, role plays, and opinion sharing. Okay, maybe that's all I can say in my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.